Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make treble crochet. So I have in the previous videos I have shown you how to make double crochet, half double crochet, and today let's see how to make the treble crochet. It's very similar to double crochet. You will have to yarn over twice. I will show you how to do that. So for that, as I have shown you in the previous videos, make a slip knot and then chain 15 foundation chains. And here, instead of just skipping 2 chains as I've shown you in the double crochet video, you will have to skip 3 chains. If you're starting with the foundation row. If you're going ahead with the 3rd or 4th row, you will have to add those 3 chains that I've just told you. 1, 2 and 3. So this is only for the other rows. If you're starting from the foundation chain, you will have to skip 3 chains in the beginning, and in the 4th chain you will start doing the treble crochet. So here I'm going to turn my work and then yarn over twice, 1 and 2. For the double crochet you just yarn over once. For the treble crochet you yarn over twice, and you will have to go to the 2nd stitch. This is the 1st stitch on top of which you have done the chains here. So we'll have to go to the 2nd stitch. This is the 1st and this is the 2nd one. So I insert my hook into the 2nd stitch and yarn over and then pull it through that stitch. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Now you will have to yarn over again and pull through just the 2 loops on your hook, this 1st and the 2nd one. So you have yarned over and pull through only the first 2 stitches. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, 1, 2 and 3. Now yarn over and pull through 2 more stitches, 1 and 2. So you have 2 more loops on your hook. Now you have to yarn over and pull through those 2 as well. It's very similar to the double crochet. In double crochet, when you yarn over, you will have 3 loops. You pull through 2 and then yarn over and pull through 2 again. For this, you will have to do it 3 times. So I have 2 loops. I yarned over twice for the next treble crochet that I'm doing. So I'm going to the 3rd stitch here. Insert my hook into the 3rd stitch, yarn over and pull through. So you have 4 loops on your hook, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you'll have to yarn over and pull through only the first 2 stitches. So the 1 and 2 stitches. Now yarn over and pull through the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now yarn over and pull through the next 2. So I've made 2 treble crochets, and this is the chain 3. You can also count them as a treble crochet. I'll make once more, yarn over twice and go to the 4th stitch here. See, if you get confused which is the stitch, you can see this stitch is made, this treble crochet is made under, on top of this 3rd stitch here. So you have yarned over twice on the hook. Now insert your stitch, insert your hook in the 4th stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we'll have to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 2 more loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. So you keep doing this. If you'd like to make blankets with this stitch, it makes up the blanket quickly because you have large stitches here. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So you will have to count how many stitches you need. Like for the foundation chain, you made 15 and you skipped 3 stitches, so 15, 14 and 13. So you will have to make 13 more, I guess. 13. So here, let me guess, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. And for that I think you'll get 12 stitches. If you're making it from the foundation chain, you will have 12 treble crochets altogether when you complete the row. So here I'll have 13 because I've started it on top of the double crochet. If you find I'm a little quicker when I'm doing it, you can reduce the speed of the video so it will slow it down. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the stitch, pull through, have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you will have to repeat it till the end of the row. So if you get confused if this is the last stitch or this is the last stitch, just count the stitches, number of trebles you have made. 1 2, the chain also counts as a treble. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I'll have to make 2 more trebles because I had totally 13 trebles. So this one goes underneath this half double crochet, on top of the half double crochet that I have made. So this is the last treble that I'm going to make now. Yarn over twice, and if you, this is the chain 2 that you have made in the previous row. Here I have made chain 3. Here in the previous row, because I've made half double crochets here, I have chained only 2. So on top of the chain 2, this is one chain 1 and this is chain 2. On top of this chain 2, we'll have to make the stitch. So I'll insert my hook here, yarn over and pull through. I have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and so I have totally 13 trebles. So you can see the difference. This is a double crochet, these two are double crochets, and this is a half double crochet here, and this is a treble. Treble is bigger than the taller than the double crochet, and double crochet is taller than the half double crochet. Okay, so this is it for today. Thanks for watching.